Holy Basil Tulsi, nature's herb for vitality and wellness. Hello everyone! Today, I want to introduce you to a remarkable herb celebrated for centuries in traditional medicine, Holy Basil, also known as Tulsi. Often revered as a sacred plant in Ayurvedic practice, Tulsi is more than a spiritual symbol. It is a powerful natural ally for vitality, energy, and overall wellness. In this presentation, we'll explore the many ways Holy Basil can enhance your physical and mental health. Holy Basil contains a rich array of bioactive compounds, including eugenol, rosmarinic acid, and flavonoids. These compounds work synergistically to reduce oxidative stress, fight inflammation, and support overall cellular health. By incorporating Tulsi into your daily routine, you are giving your body a natural source of protection against stress and environmental challenges. One of the primary benefits of Holy Basil is its ability to boost vitality and energy. Unlike stimulants that temporarily increase energy but may cause crash, Tulsi works gently to support the body's natural energy systems. It nourishes the adrenal glands, which play a key role in maintaining balanced energy levels throughout the day. Tulsi is also renowned for its adaptogenic properties. Adaptogens are natural substances that help the body adapt to physical, emotional, and environmental stressors. By reducing the impact of stress on the body, Holy Basil helps maintain mental clarity, emotional balance, and overall resilience. This makes it an ideal herb for modern life, where stress is a common challenge. In addition to supporting energy and stress resilience, Holy Basil promotes immune system health. Its bioactive compounds have antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, helping the body defend against infections and support overall immune function. Regular use of Tulsi can enhance your body's natural defenses, contributing to long-term health and vitality. Holy Basil is also beneficial for cardiovascular health. Studies suggest that Tulsi can support healthy blood pressure levels, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation, all of which are essential for a strong and healthy heart. Its holistic effects on the body make it a valuable herb for overall wellness. For practical use, Holy Basil can be incorporated in several ways. Tulsi tea. A warm cup in the morning or evening provides antioxidants, supports energy, and promotes relaxation. Capsules or extracts. Concentrated forms deliver the herb's bioactive compounds for targeted support. Fresh leaves. Add to salads, smoothies, or dishes for a natural vitality boost. Essential oil. Used in aromatherapy to enhance mood, reduce stress, and support mental clarity. It is important to note that Holy Basil is generally safe for most people, but those taking medications or with specific health conditions should consult a healthcare provider before regular use. Start with moderate amounts and observe how your body responds. In conclusion, Holy Basil Tulsi is a powerful herb for vitality, energy, and overall wellness. Its adaptogenic, antioxidant, and immune-supporting properties make it a natural ally for modern life. By incorporating Tulsi into your daily routine, you can enhance your energy levels, support mental clarity, reduce stress, and promote long-term health. Nature has provided us with this sacred and versatile herb, offering a holistic approach to vitality and wellness. From tea and supplements to culinary use and aromatherapy, Holy Basil is a gentle yet powerful way to support your body, mind, and spirit. Thank you for listening, and I encourage you to explore the benefits of Holy Basil. Let this sacred herb enhance your energy, resilience, and overall well-being every day.